morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Whoa, we got a challenge lock here, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, furries and cats, dogs, lizards, whatever. I don't know if I've ever picked one from Lone Wolf Picking. This is Viper. Um, this lock lives up to its name. It's got a bite. This is the bidding on it. Guys, if you've not picked this lock, you've got to pick it. It's just a fun lock. What can I say? The response on it, the feedback on it is amazing. It's very difficult, but it's amazing. I had a lot of fun with this. I wish all the locks could be something like this. It was a great pick. But a lot of you guys make great locks, so there ain't nothing wrong with it. I had to use all these picks to get into it the first time, and I narrowed it down to a few of them. It's got some really deep pins, and I don't want to keep on going because this might take a while. Um, I don't like doing long videos, but you guys don't seem to mind. You stick around, I guess. I don't know why. Um, but I'm going to start off with a deep hook. Um, when I get back to like the fourth pin, I can't get back to it. I can't go under it. So I have to switch after that. So let's see what we can do. Where's my clock? There it is. Okay. I got an approximation. Here we go. I'm going to do a clockwise. No, counterclockwise in this one. 1, 2. Nothing on 3. Got a 4. And that's where it is. I guess it's the 5th pin that I can't get by. So we'll move on to my next pick here. Stay in tension wrench. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was 4. Get beyond 4. Five seems to be biting, but I'm not breaking my pick. Okay, that was 5. That was 5 again, I think. Back to beginning. Click out a 1. A little bit of movement in my finger. Nothing on 2. Come on. 3 is binding tight. Let buckle tension. Okay, that was it. Back to that other stubborn pin. This is 4. Come on. Ah, great. That was 4. I got a great movement out of that one. That didn't happen the first or second time either. Oh, I think I got lucky on this. Great false set going. And that doesn't happen with this lock, or it didn't before. Good false set. All right, that was 1. 2. 3. Little counter rotation. Okay, I lost my false set though. I mean, it's got a little bit, but spoke too soon. All right, beginning. Up the on 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go from the back. Did I say it? I didn't say side. Fuck.
That was easy.
That's what she said. All right now, so we're in that position all the way in the back there. I'm not going to say it again. Okay, I got to click out of that. There. That was 3. Okay, click out of 3, 2. Oop, oop, don't you dare. 1 is kind of hard to get to. All right, from that side, coming forward. Didn't say it. Excuse me. That's what he said. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not sure what pin I'm on right now, but I'm going forward. I think that's 3. Click out of 2. Okay, got a little bit of a false set going now. We're looking good. And you know that's... never mind. There I was surrounded by 100 women. What did I do? Of course, I dropped my pants. And they laughed. I walked away. 3. Little counter rotation on 3. Lighten up on my tension. Great, okay. Gotta go to that back pin. I almost said it again, damn it. 4th pin. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if I can do a bit of the 5th pin here. Too high. All right, chopper, take over. This is my chopper. Oh, wait, excuse me. This is soft tail. Chopper broke. I'm sorry. God, I want chopper back. And from the beginning. One. 2. Counter rotation on 3. Lighten up on my tension. All right, that was 3. I think I can get underneath, yeah, the 4th pin with this one. Okay, that was 4. 5. To the beginning. Well, I gotta make this fast. I gotta go to the bathroom. A little bit too much information there. 1. 2. And 3 is binding again. A little counter rotation. Lightening up on my tension. There. Okay. 4. Must be a tall bin or something in 4 there. What should be some short ass bin? I just can't get by. It's 3 or 4. It's just whatever. Okay. That made sense, huh? Okay. I'm not sure what I'm on again. Sorry. Some counter rotation. Slipped off the pin. Gonna back off a little bit. All right. There you go, buddy. Nice deep fall set going. A lot better than I had first and second time. I'm gonna stay in there. Okay. We're on 1. Nothing on 2. 3 seems like it's binding. Back off a little bit. Okay. 4. I think that's 4. Nothing on 4. That was 5. Okay. From the beginning. The other pick. I'm picky, aren't I? I'm such a comedian. Okay, that was 1. 2. I hope you guys can see. I want you guys to see. Let me check out my... I'm going to raise this a little bit. Oh! You guys still there? Don't do that to me. Jumping off the stand. Damn it. I'm still recording, I believe. I'm so sorry. And that's what I said. Damn it. Where was I? Deep breath. Breathe in through your nose. Out through your mouth. Yeah, now I'm kind of amped up. Sorry for the beginning. Light tension. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Gonna back off a little bit. Okay. Gotta be careful because my tension wrench is hitting that every once in a while. I have to make sure I lean forward a little bit with it so I don't, so it doesn't get all stiff on me. Stiff. Stiff, and that's what she said, and God knows. All right, we're on 4. That was good. 1 out of 4. 5, nothing on it. Got it on my other pick. I think I'll go with the deep one again. Let's see, these first couple of pins up front are deep, I think. Yeah, it's way up there. I'm not gonna say it. Not gonna say it. Okay, that was 1, 2. 3. Nice. Great false set going there. I know I can't get by the 4th one. I'm going to use this one. Get on that pin. Come on. There you go. There you go. Okay. 5 is binding. And I feel it tight. I don't want to break my pick. There we go. Yeah. 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 It wasn't easy, but it was a fantastic lock. I'm telling you guys, you've got to try picking this lock. This is Viper Lone Wolf Lockpicking. You made a great, fun lock. All right, let's see what we got. Hangeth on a minute. Great. Everything falling out here. Okay, let me set this down. Get my tray. All right, I gotta get the pinning. Here, just keep this in camera. Okay. I have a key, but don't matter. I'm gonna try using my clip remover here. Yeah, that was great. No outsers, no nothing. I like it. A shim. They're all over the table. Great lock, guys. Fun, 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 fun. Fun, fun, fun in the summertime, but it's the winter time, so the hell am I even talking about? I don't know. Alright, no accidents. No, in camera? No accidents. No accidents. Accident. Wasn't paying attention. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. That was 2. Whew, that was close. Beautiful pin. A serrated pin. The second one's a serrated pin. Yeah, these are all going to be remarkable pins. Again, I think I got lucky in this pick. I was on it the first time for at least an hour. But you guys know me. I don't give up. If I'm going to make a video, you know what? It's going to go on. You don't have to watch it, but it goes on until I get it open. Beautiful. 6 pins right there. Let's see what we have in the core. In my little poker. I could go there, but I'm not. 1. Threaded. 2. Threaded. 3 is threaded. I wonder if it feels like it's undercut too. So is 2. 1's got a little bit of undercut and threads. 2 has got threads and undercut. 3 has got threads and undercut. 4 has got threads and undercut. They're all undercut. All got threads and all undercut. Beautiful work here. Really, really nice. All right. Let's pull out the shim. That's not what she said. You know, she's not happy when that happens. Yeah. Where was I? I was in the bedroom and I didn't know. Never mind. Okay. Oh, geez. Oh, God. 1 second. Oh, God. Come on, man. This doesn't happen now. Come on. Hang on. Hang on. Please hang on. Oh, God darn it. Son of a... Ah, no. Come on. Give me a minute. Maybe 2 minutes. And they drop right down in the feet, and where do they go? Oh, here you go. You drop one, it goes into the 5th dimension. You know what that is? Oh, God, that hurt. I am old. All right, sorry. Sorry. Shut up with the sorries already. What a pin. You guys are gonna love this. You really are. Okay, we got a copper spring here. We had a copper spring. We really did. I'm not gonna give it a thought if I don't find it. 1 second. I'm not even gonna look for it, guys. It's only a spring. God. Wait a minute, I gotta slow down. Whew. Too much coffee. Yeah, right. Okay. Number 2. Oh, beautiful, man. Beautiful. A short copper spring. And so far I can see in the Bible here, so far 1 and 2 are threaded. Three is just breaking the shear line. Why I can't get it, I don't know. There you go. Okay. You know what? I think 3 doesn't have a spring. That's why it was so difficult. Okay, now I get it. Let's go number 4. I'm going to go from the other side. Yeah, you guys just want me to say it. Okay. That's there. Another copper spring. Beautiful. God, these pins are nice. Another copper spring. And you guys are going to trip on these pins, man. These are, how does that guy say it? Most excellent, Bill. Yeah, these are really nice. Okay, so we know that 3 didn't have a spring and I dropped the first spring, so that's that. No big deal. I'll find it in a minute. Let me turn these pins around. Absolutely beautiful pins. This is a lock that you want to pick, guys. This is a challenge lock. God, I'm already 23 minutes. Damn it. Here's the pins, bottom pins. Look at that pin. 1, we got a serrated. 1, 2, 3 serrations on that pin. Second one has got a double serration. The fourth one, or the third one has got like a T-top. It's kind of tapered down with the top and a spoolish in the middle. That 4th pin is unbelievable. That was when I was giving me problems. A tall pin. You can see it for yourself. I don't know what to call it. Okay. The next pin is it's a mushroom tapered down a little bit. And the next one has got another, it's a little fatter, a serration, and the rest of the pin. That's a beautiful pin. And the last pin is just, it speaks for itself. It's got little serrations on the top, tapered down to a couple of major serrations, like a spoolish type. And here we go with the top ones, man. Check these out. This guy did some fantastic work. 1, 2, 3 serrations on that baby. The second one is just, I'm just going to show it. You know what? I'm not, can't explain it. Everybody has different names for what they do, but those are the pins, guys. All right. I'm missing 1 copper spring, and the other one didn't have 1 in it. So that is what we got, man. This is Viper by Lone Wolf Picking. I've got to get more of your locks, guy. Please get in touch with me. I want some more of your challenge locks. That's all I have for you. I hope everybody has a fine weekend. Friday, why am I here sitting in my house and not out partying? Because I don't like to party. Okay, it's about 8:18 and everything's good. All right, guys, please, if you like what you hear, like what you see, please hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. That's what I got for you guys. One last look. I'm gone.